What's up guys? For those of you that don't know, I live in Brisbane, and in the next couple of hours Brisbane is supposed to be hit with a tropical cyclone, category 2, almost category 3. So I've never been in a cyclone, so I don't even really know how bad that is, but there's a couple things we need to do before it hits. First of all, I need to go fill up my bike with petrol on the fuel meter, fuel light thingamabob. So we'll do that quick. Also, I need to pick up some sandbags for the house. Because there's a little section that has a little bit of flooding that we need to sort out. Nothing terrible, but I just want to make sure the water gets away, and honestly I don't think I'm going to fit. I got a little bag on my back now, and it might fit, let's say 2, 3, maybe 4 sandbags if we're lucky. And then after we get sandbags we need to go to a little bit of a shop, because we've got some food but not enough to last us a couple of days if we get flooded in. Where are we going to fill up? Let's go back around. Now let's see what we can go do about some sandbags. That's fair, he stopped for a kookaburra. Already starting to get bloody windy. I'm sure this wind noise is terrible, but I set up my mic pretty good, but I did not account for Cyclone. And apparently there's going to be 100 to 150 km/h winds. I think that's like, what, 60 to 80 mph winds. Like 70 knot winds type thing, so it's going to get pretty battery. Oh nah, look at that line. That's for the sandbags, it goes all the way down there. I don't know if I'm willing to wait for that. Let's see if we can sneak through. Hey mate. Good, thanks. I won't pass. Is that the lineup up there for the sandbags? Right. Would you happen to have an express route for someone like 2, 3 bags on a motorbike?
I don't see why not.
Yeah?
Park behind the shed there.
Yeah.
And walk around the corner.
Okay.
That would be inconspicuous. I had 4 trucks dumped,
Yeah.
so there should be plenty of sand there.
Okay, do you reckon, what, 3 sandbags in there? Pushing it?
Oh, yeah.
I'll see. I don't own a car, so this is the best I got.
Yeah.
So.
I'll see how you go.
Okay, cheers mate, appreciate it. What a legend. Okay, I'm getting all my gear on now, because once I put this bag with my shoulder, oh, yeah, far out. Okay, 3 sandbags. This thing weighs like 40-50 kilos. There we go, easy as pie. Yeah, I got 3 in there. It's bloody heavy. I was like weightlifting it onto the back. But she's a bit sturdy. I just live down the road, so it's okay. If I need like 2 more, can I do the same thing again?
Absolutely, mate.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Flick your eyes at me when you come up.
Yeah, you might notice the bike.
Same deal.
Okay, I appreciate it. What was your name?
Paul.
Matt.
Hey, mate.
Thank you very much, mate.
Oh, mate. Good on you.
Cheers. Okay, we're taking a steady ride home because I'm not pushing this too much. With 3 heavy sandbags on the back, each like 15 kilos. It's already starting to rain. I know there's a lot more to come though. Oh, I can barely reach the clutch. I reckon we might need to do one more trip. We've got 3. I'm thinking 5 was the sweet spot. We'll take a look when we get back though. I loved it. I can see the kid on his bike at the front going, gesturing for a rev. This bike is not safe to leave like this. 1, 2, 3. Far out. These things are heavy. Alright, let's go pick up a couple more sandbags. I hope it's the same guy. Thank you, mate. Hey, mate. Alright, let's go for round 2. If my bag didn't break from the last load, it shouldn't break from this one. I'm hoping. Thank you, mate. All sorted now.
That's all right.
That's everything I need. Cheers. How long was that wait up there for?
Up top.
Yeah.
God only knows.
Yeah, because I came yesterday and I went down to the one down there and it was going around the corner pretty much. It looked like, I don't know, half a day kind of thing.
A lot more than that.
Well, that was quicker anyway, so I appreciate it. You have a good rest of your day. Okay, let's go home now. I got my Slurpee. Let's see if we can ride home with this thing. We can do one-handed, I reckon. This Cyclone's already starting to hit first gear. There we go, now we should be sorted. As long as I don't need to stop, we're okay. Well, it looks like pretty good timing, really. The rain is coming now. I don't know if this is the actual cyclone hitting or just of maybe the outskirts of the cyclone. I don't even know, but there's going to be a whole lot of this starting to come very soon. I want to sip. Alright, I'm gonna head off, get these sandbags packed away, and then hopefully bunk in for the rest of the next couple of days, I guess, and survive this cyclone. And who knows, if I'm feeling game enough, I might go out in the cyclone. How many videos do you see of a person stupid enough / crazy enough to ride through a cyclone. My mum's come down to stay at my place though, so I'm in my 20s, but she's still the boss, so she might not let me out. We'll see how we go. Anyway, stay tuned for that one as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.